things that we're going to learn. Okay, can you see my screen now? What can you see on my screen? What can you see on my screen? Can you see my drawing or not?
No.
No, you can see.
No.
Hold on. We give some time to Teams, this application, to show my screen. When you can see my screen, you need to tell me. Can you see my screen now? My drawing?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay,
No.
we have to wait.
Yes.
You can see already?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, now can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. What we're going to discuss next is instrument that apply lenses. Okay, okay, now, yeah, do you know what is magnifying glass? Magnifying glass?
No.
Magnifying glass.
Oh.
Magnifying glass. This is the holder. And then let's say we have, here is your eye. Your eye is here, so you can see something small, but it looks bigger. For example, this is an ant. You can see it bigger. You know what is magnifying glass?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, magnifying glass actually apply the rule, one of the situation we have learned. Okay, let me see. Okay, actually this one is the case of magnifying glass. Okay, this is the case of magnifying glass. Okay, let's get back here. Okay, let us draw again. Now we have this is F. Okay, this is the object, the ant, but we just draw an arrow to represent the object, and this is the line. This is F also. Okay, light travels parallel to principal axis. It will be refracted towards the F, and then light travels uh, through center of the lens, no refraction, but it will be it will intersect at certain point over here, and here is the image. Okay, this is the object, the ant, and here is the image. So you have a bigger, your eye can see a bigger, and you can see a bigger ant over here, something like that. So where is your eye? Your eye is here. Here is your eye. Remember, your eye has a lens also, and then it will be focused on the retina of your eye. Okay, so one application of lens is magnifying glass. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. But we have a problem when we use magnifying glass. It's not very big. You can see the magnification is not very big. All right, so we need to do modification in order to have a bigger view, bigger view of the object. How do we do that? Can you tell me another instrument which can magnify the image bigger?
Microscope.
That's correct, microscope. Did you ever learn about microscope before this? How it is created? The structure? Okay, for microscope, we are going to apply the things that we have learned before. Okay, let me go back to what we have learned before this. Microscope. Okay. This one. Try to focus on this one. Is there any situation where you can see the object is big, the image is bigger than object? Cannot see here, right? Because this one is smaller and this one is same size, so you cannot apply this one. So we go to next one, this one. Okay, you can see this one is smaller than this one, right? So the image is bigger for this case. So we are going to apply this case. We are going to apply this case to create create compound microscope. So this is the first case we apply, and we are going to apply this case again. Okay. Now, let's get back here. Okay, now I told you that we are going to apply the situation there. So the object should be, this is 2F, this is F, right? This is F. The object is here. This is F, and this is 2F. So light refracted toward F, and light passes through center of lens. So the image is here. Okay, this is the case, the first case we're going to apply. And the other case is this one. The other case is this one. This one. However, I'm going to draw the object is over here. Okay, we see what happens if the object is downward. Let us see, draw it here. Now, here is F. Okay, this is F. Now the object is here. Okay, this one is not dotted line. Okay, this one should be a straight line like this, because that is a real object. Now we go back here. Light travels parallel to principal axis, and then it will be refracted towards normal line. And then light travels through F, no refraction. So we can draw line and it will join at this point. This is a dotted line. Okay, we have this is situation 1 and this is situation 2. And we are going to combine. We are going to combine the two situations here. Okay, let us try to do it. Okay. Let me change the color so that you can see. Let's see, I'm going to use blue color for this one. Okay, this is a straight line. And then remember the object is between F and 2F. Remember, here's the object. And this is F, and 2F is somewhere here. But we don't have to care about 2F now. We just care about F. Now light, okay, this is the line that you need to draw, dotted line. Light parallel to principal axis will be reflected towards F, like this. Okay? But, okay, that's okay. And then light travels center of F will be will intersect at this point. So here's the image. Here's the image. Okay, now what we do next is we need to apply this one over here. Apply this one. Now this is the image for this one, and the image for this one will be the object for this one. Remember what I said. The image from this one, the image will be the object for this one. So F, this is F. Remember the F here is not the same. They are from different lengths. Okay. In order not to be confused, let me tell you, this is what we call objective lens. Why we call it objective lens? Because the object is here. And then we have another lens, and this lens is what we call eyepiece lens. Eyepiece lens. Okay, you can draw lines in the middle. Okay, across it. And then remember we apply this one. Remember we have F here also. Light travels parallel to principal axis will refract towards F. Okay, and light passes through center of the lens will not be refracted. And you can see here it will intersect somewhere here. Remember, you need to draw straight, but I'm not using a ruler. Actually, it should intersect at certain point. So here is the image. Okay, there is the image. So here is the first object. It has been magnified once, and it is magnified once again. So you have twice magnification. So this is the object, and here is the final image. So this is how a microscope works. Okay? Any questions so far? Any question? Any question? No question. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you can see here, this is in the case of microscope. Remember, when you use your microscope, you need to adjust the position of the lens, right? The reason why you adjust it is because you want to make sure that the object is between F and 2F. That's why you adjust it. And then you adjust this one also actually because you want to make sure that the image from this objective lens falls between F and 2F of eyepiece lens and this F. Okay, remember we call this is FO. O stands for objective lens. This is FO also. This is FE and this is FE. Because this one comes from this lens and this one comes from this lens. Okay, that is microscope. Okay, compound microscope. Okay. Okay, I pause this one. I pause it so that